Recently, I was in a room with 70 plus women entrepreneurs. They were all people who had started the company from ground up. Some really interesting insights came when we were talking about business expansion and investment decisions. One after another, these accomplished women began sharing how they struggled with major business decisions. I always consult my husband before making any financial choice, said one. My brother handles all the accounting, mentioned another. Another interesting point was that almost all of these women didn't want their husband's involvement so much in their business. He gets too dominating, someone quipped. And yet, they couldn't completely keep them away owing to financial decisions, since that formed the basis of all other major business decisions. The contradiction. Here's what's fascinating about this story. These same women who claim they're not good with money are the ones managing household budgets, making 85% of all consumer purchases and controlling $31.8 trillion in worldwide spending. Think about it. If you can stretch a household budget, plan for groceries, manage children's expenses, and ensure bills are paid on time, you're already demonstrating sophisticated financial planning skills. Yet, somehow, when it comes to decisions pertaining to major financial investments, whether it's purchase of a large appliance or stocks, mutual funds, or business investments, there's this invisible barrier. Do you know the reason of this contradiction? It's not that women are poor decision makers. They simply have been told so. As per a renowned professor at Aston University, if the outside world tells you something about yourself, it's going to have a profound impact on your behavior. A lot of biases that have been created against women are because the outside world has said so. Recent data from India shows that women account only for 26% of mutual fund investors. However, when women do invest, they outperform men significantly. Women's assets under management in mutual funds with holdings over 5 years increased from 8.8% in 2019 to 21.3% in 2024, compared to men's growth from 8.2% to 19.9%. The confidence gap. Research shows that while 48% of women are confident about managing their finances, they hit roadblocks when it comes to investing and wealth building. Women are confident with everyday tasks like paying bills and managing budgets, but less sure about creating investment portfolio. This isn't about capability, it's about conditioning. Studies indicate that women are not participating actively in personal financial planning, and many have little or no knowledge about advanced financial instruments. But the same research shows that when women do gain financial literacy, they participate more actively in financial planning. The decision making paradox. Here's the most striking contradiction. Women influence 85% of all brand purchases and make 93% of food purchase decisions. Yet, when it comes to financial decisions like investments or business choices, they often defer to male family members. Even amongst working women who earn well, there's this pattern where women can be influencers in consumer decisions, but the final call, especially on investments, goes to the male member of the household. The path to true financial freedom? True financial freedom isn't about earning money. It's about having the confidence and knowledge to make independent financial decisions. When women develop financial plans with advisors, they tend to make decisions focused on long term goals. They naturally incline towards security focused products and long term wealth building. Financial independence of women means the autonomy to make decisions, support themselves and their families, and live according to their own preferences. It's about breaking free from the need for external validation on financial choices. The women in that entrepreneurs group who said she wasn't good with accounting, she was managing a household budget, tracking business expenses, and making countless financial micro decisions every day. She wasn't lacking financial skills, she was lacking financial confidence. The data is clear. Women are natural financial planners. They are patient, focused on long term goals, and excellent at managing resources. What they need isn't more capability, it's more confidence and access to financial education. If you are a woman watching this, remember you already have the financial skills. Now it's time to apply them beyond the household budget. Start small, educate yourself, and most importantly, trust your financial instincts. Because true financial freedom begins with the confidence to make your own money decisions. And that is the most important aspect in taking all important decisions in life. Share this video with all the women that you know.